I heard that you can, the backup feature can back itself up to an image.
Absolutely.
And then kick it off with the image and restore the image to boot and to restore the image on your computer. So if you need to, if you make an image of a system and you need to modify it, you can modify it and put it on another system. How does that work driver-wise and things like that?
Absolutely. Is anybody familiar with, say, a backup exec system recovery? Have you been playing with that?
Yeah, we just bought it.
There you
It's
go.
been all right.
Yeah, absolutely.
We just did a bare metal recovery from dissimilar hardware, and it actually worked really, really well.
Beautiful. And that's a new feature of Windows 7, too. So just like Marshall was talking about. Yeah, they pretty much there's a CD or you know that you can utilize that just has a ton of freaking drivers on there that allows you to go bare metal to dissimilar hardware. So a cool feature in there. Additionally, Windows 7, you know, with the backup features built in there, you can also do you know, granular recovery of individual files. If you accidentally delete something, you can undelete it. You know, that type of thing. So.
Spence, do you guys have like a website where you can look at pricing for the software assurance program?
Absolutely. And let's take the mic in there as a matter of fact right now.
This is just a single license of Ultimate and professional cost.
Let's see here. Let's pull that up.
Upgrade or the whole thing? Yeah, 300 for Ultimate, or else it's $100 off to do the upgrade. So if you got anything that's Microsoft, you should do the upgrade.
Yeah, definitely the upgrade. And almost anybody's going to qualify for the upgrade, right? If they bought a system with an OEM license on it.
Do you know if I heard that the way they were doing the upgrade is you had to have like Vista or XP installed prior and activated and then start the upgrade from Windows environment.
As a volume license user, you're actually going to get a brand new, full, clean install and be able to use that.
But at home, you're
going to have to go through.
going to have to install it twice.
It's going to have to, well, not necessarily multi-step process, but coming from XP at least. But yeah, it's going to make you verify just like previous editions.
You can just pop a disc in the old one, or go to your buddy's house and borrow his.
Exactly. So yeah, the whole. I think they wrapped the whole Windows Genuine Advantage thing in there. Is that right?
Probably.
And you had a question. I know you've been waiting.
The XP mode, the virtual machine, is that something that just comes native with it, or do you have to do some separate installation and customization to get that up and running?
Separate installation, separate download. So visit Microsoft.com/Windows/virtual PC, I believe.
So you do have to install virtual PC, it doesn't just come native with it.
Correct. Yeah. And one cool thing that Microsoft's letting you do is have up to, I believe, 4 virtual machines installed with that single license. So you have one single license, Windows license per system, and I think you have all 4 virtual machines.
There's an upgrade for Windows 7 that's like a light virtual PC component that doesn't require the full download. But it also, you also lose all the configurable things like the amount of RAM that you set aside to the virtual, things like that. So it really pays just to download the entire virtual PC.
Get the full version instead of that light version.
Expenses any way to reboot in that virtual environment so that, like, say, for example, you take one of your virtual images and start up in that mode instead of running it from within the shell.
Yeah, I'm not sure 100% with the XP mode feature, but you've used it, it sounds like. Can you do that? Boot right to the virtual machine instead of the host? Okay.
You can probably set it to start up the virtual on startup, but I don't think.
But not just
the
Yeah. Any other questions while I'm pulling up the pricing here?
I know one. On the app locker, do you know if
You can see it's
if you put in a rule to block certification and once that's implemented, someone's already run that, install it